Hey guys, this is Kevin Potter, and I'm going to show you guys how to make a bail for the pendant we were working on the other day. So what I did before, I hydraulically pressed these pillow forms in our hydraulic press, and I soldered two of them together, and I left this little tab on top. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use this to attach my bail. And so I've got this just a random piece of silver here that I folded around a mandrel. So I just bent it around that mandrel like that, and I'm going to cut it into a bail. I probably could use a pancake die because we actually have pancake dies that will punch out this bail, but maybe you don't have one, so I'm just going to show you how to do it by hand. And it still looks kind of rough, so I'm going to take a file. I'm trying to get a nice graceful curve in my bail. So what you do, hold it out in front of yourself for a second and stare at it, because that's what your customer's going to do. And if it looks crooked to you, it's definitely going to look crooked to them. What I'm going to do next, I'm going to drill a hole through here, and I'm going to drill a hole through here. And then I'm going to take this piece of wire, put it through there, I'm going to use my torch, and I'm going to ball up the piece of wire so that this thing kind of swivels on here a little bit of movement. There we go. And it's best to ball it up from the bottom. If you try to heat it from the top, it's going to flop. So I want this thing pretty ripping hot. So we're going to push it all the way to the other side so that it's just a nice little ball. So it's also, at this point, you want to make sure that you don't have solder up in there. Alright, so all that's left to do is your sanding and finishing, and then I think it would look great with a patina on it. Thanks for watching. So if you like this video, be sure and give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.